Welcome. If you want to create folders on the home screen in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 10s, at first you have to click on one of the icons, for example this one, and then drag this icon for another icon. Right now the folder is right here, so when we tap on it we can open. Click here to change names, to change name of that folder, click on the marker to confirm, and click outside to go back from this changing name option. When we tap on the arrow we can close that folder and we can add additional apps. Just like that. You can move that folder between screens like any other app icon, and if you want to remove you have to click hold. Okay, unfortunately in this phone we cannot remove folder, so we have to manually remove apps like that. But in the other Android smartphones you can simply drag that folder for the upper section of the screen where you will be able to remove, and after that apps will be in the draw menu. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.